Hi, my name is Andrew Meinzer of Meinzer Law Firm. This video is the fourth in a series about probate decedents estate court proceedings in California. In the first three videos, we covered the ultimate goal of the process, which is transferring the assets of someone who died, the decedent, to the people who are supposed to receive them. And we discussed the first major step of a probate decedents estate court proceeding, which is getting someone in charge of the assets. We can't get to that ultimate goal of transferring the assets of the decedent, also known as the estate, to the people who are to receive them until any debts of the decedent are paid off. You'll need to make sure that all people owed money by the decedent, the creditors, are paid, and there's a detailed formal written process for doing this. First, you need to provide written notice to all creditors of the decedent to let them know that the probate decedent estate court proceeding is up and running and that they may file a claim to be paid from the assets of the decedent. The notice needs to go to all known or reasonably ascertainable creditors. If you're aware that a creditor of the decedent is expecting to be paid, then you need to provide notice to that creditor. And you need to look diligently through the mail of the decedent and the decedent's belongings to see if there are any bills or anything else in there indicating a creditor expecting to be paid. After you determine the creditors, we mail a special notice to all of them. That will start a clock ticking. To be paid, each creditor would need to provide us with a formal written claim within a specific amount of time. Then we would help you to evaluate each claim by a creditor and determine whether to approve and pay it or to reject it. Any payment to a creditor would come from the assets of the decedent and not from your personal assets. If you reject a claim by a creditor, then the creditor essentially must file a lawsuit to be paid. I'm not going to discuss creditor litigation here because it doesn't normally happen. We're almost at the ultimate goal of transferring the assets of the decedent to the people who are supposed to receive them. Before we get there, however, we need to discuss a special issue when real estate's involved, which we'll do in the next video.